Today I have 2 screen doors to clean with the pressure cleaner. Let's take a look. There's number 1, there's number 2. Let's have a closer look. This has an aluminium flywire, and you can see here in the channels on the edges, it's full, chock full of nests, insect nests. So I'm going to be poking that with a screwdriver, as well as using a pressure cleaner. I'll be cleaning both sides, and I'll be trying not to get too much water inside. In fact, I put towels down on the inside at the bottom, but it's a good idea to try not to get too much water inside. All right, well, I'm going to keep you far away from the water. So use a decent screwdriver to be able to poke all those nests. Okay. Actually, maybe a good idea to put some glasses on, just so nothing gets squirted into my eyes. Hey. let's go inside, see if any water went inside. Some water has gotten inside, but I'm going to mop it up quick smart. Now this hasn't dried yet, but you can see it's a lot better. All those insect nests have been kicked out, squirted out, sprayed out, forced out. While I'm at it, I can clean some of the wasps' nests off the wall. I just don't want to dirty the windows I've just cleaned. Now these walls have render on them, and of course the closer you get with your nozzle, the more powerful it's going to be, and the more powerfully it's going to remove what's on the wall. You've just got to be careful in the case of render not to start tearing render off, and that's when if you start to see that happen, you obviously need to back off. Time to dry those screen doors. I won't bore you with that. Sometimes it is preferable to remove the screen door from the door, bring it out into the open and pressure clean it there where there's no possibility of getting water inside. Sometimes, of course, it is too much trouble to remove the screen door from the door, and in those situations you just have to be aware of the possibility that water is going to get inside, and you just have to take precautions like putting towels down on the ground.